You'll be okay. Just a long, long fuse. Y'all alright?
Golly, that hit me in the ear and that hand.
Everybody alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
That blew up right on us.
Oh my God.
I'm glad nobody's hurt.
Okay.
It was.
That tube. Something happened to the tube.
Did it? Did we put it in wrong?
No, it was
Look what
something happened to the tube disintegrated.
it did.
You know what? I think the tube blew off the bottom or something.
Unless we used the wrong shell tube.
Yeah, they're exactly the same.
Are they the same?
Yes.
I don't want to do these. Let's not do those, okay?
Wow, man.
Never see anything like
Oh my
We should have.
God.
I don't know where it went. Where did it go? It just blew up inside, didn't it?
It didn't come out.
Camera, Dad.
Look, one part of the tube is right there.
Oh my. Yeah, I want to see it.